Did you know some animals seem to sense earthquakes days before humans feel a tremor, thanks to ultra-keen senses? Scientists study this by tracking animal behavior alongside seismographs, noting dogs barking or elephants moving while people remain calm. The idea rests on stress waves traveling through ground and air, which animals can detect by hearing or vibrations we miss. A Taiwan study reported dogs reacting minutes before a quake, suggesting a real signal they sense before humans notice. Would you subscribe to uncover more surprising science mysteries and join us for weekly explorations into how nature works?